Today we will be working on the half double crochet. This is the main stitch that we will be using in block 2 of our Heirloom Afghan crochet along. So let's get started. We're going to be working in this stitch here. With our yarn already on our hook, we're going to yarn over our hook and go into the stitch indicated. Make sure that you have both the front loop and the back loop of that stitch on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through that stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Wrap the yarn around your hook and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. You've just completed a half double crochet. Let's do that again. We're going to be working in this stitch here. You're going to yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, making sure you have both front loop and back loop. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through. Yarn over your hook and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Let's do this one. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, wrap that yarn around your hook and pull it back through to the other side. You have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook and pull your hook through all 3 loops. Let's speed it up just a little bit. We will be working in this stitch. Yarn over in your stitch, yarn over and grab that yarn and pull it back through the stitch. Yarn over your hook again and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over into the next stitch, grabbing the yarn and pulling it back through. Yarn over, pulling through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go into the stitch and grab that yarn and pull it back through. Yarn over and pull that through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over into the stitch, grabbing that yarn and pulling it back through. Yarn over your hook and pull that yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Watch this video as many times needed until you are comfortable with the half double crochet. Once you're comfortable, be sure to join us for our hashtag Heirloom Afghan CAL for our crochet along as we work together on 63 sampler blocks for a beautiful Heirloom Afghan. The half double crochet is featured for block number 2. We hope to see you there. And here we have a beautiful row of half double crochet. We'll see you at the crochet along. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day.